Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is tjevie.the.beard and we're gonna do an unboxing video from a package of the beard struggle. Let's see what we got. Alright, first of all, we got the new brand Viking head trucker's cap. Nice. We also got Viking Storm beard balm. Love the package, by the way. Really nice, really manly, fresh, great beard balm. Mjolnir Strike car refreshener. A nice little gift from the beard struggle. Let's see what's in. Wristband. One beard to rule them all. Alright, really cool. Thank you guys from the beard struggle. What else is in? Little pamphlet, all of their products, and free sticker. Strong man talk, hell yeah. Another little gift we got. Beard struggle lanyard. Brand Viking hoodie. Alright. Really cool. Let's see what it looks like on. Alright, so we got the new cap on. Brand Viking hoodie. Brand Viking symbol. Really nice. Remember, this is only for brand Vikings, but there's plenty of other stuff on the website from the beard struggle. Other hoodies, other t-shirts, other caps. They're all awesome. Go check them out, guys. What else we got? Empty. So, sticker and beard sample pack. Yeah. All of them good scents in a sample pack. So if you don't know what to choose, if you don't know what smell you like, get the sample pack. You'll figure it out. Box is empty. Sample pack. Valhalla's Gates. Alfheim Forest. Surtur's Fury, yeah. Honir's Poem, Vanner's Wisdom, Ragnarok Rising, Acer's Triumph, really good smell. Viking Storm, Asgardian Secret, another Ragnarok Rising, and another Ragnarok Rising. So guys, that's it from me from the beard struggle. Check them out on their website. If you want a 20% discount, use the code tjevie20. Hope you guys liked my video. Check out the beard struggle and you'll hear from me soon. Bye bye.